Well, folks, got the old Scag out here. This is a Turf Tiger 2. Someone's shooting over there, don't mind that. But we got a 61-inch deck on this, and I'm doing a full service on it. I just kind of gave it a quick rinse down, just because it ain't fun working on dirty stuff. You can see how much dirt, grime, grass, whatever has it right here, come off of it. So it's clean enough for me. As you can see, I'm filthy from working on the old Hustler and the Coyote. So I actually used the Coyote to pick the Hustler up to clean the bottom of it very well. This is not mine, so I'm not going to pick it up. So the first thing we're going to start off on this Scag will be plugs. We're going to go ahead and snatch the plugs out of this thing. Got a fuel injected Kohler engine on it. Let me get in there, come on. I should go get an extension. Yeah. So, snatch plugs out of it. See how they look real quick. Sorry, my fingers were in the way. But he said he ain't never had this thing serviced. Had it for a few years. Getting it serviced. Well, the plugs look fairly good. Look a lot better than the ones that come out the Hustler now. So we'll get some new plugs I got over here. We'll snatch the other two out and put the rest of these brand new plugs in. And these are already gapped. Like I said, I gapped them and I put them back in this bag. Put NGKs on this one, and we're going with Champions back in it. That's what I got running in the Hustler and the Scag. So this Kohler engine and that Kawasaki on that Hustler over there, they take the same spark plug. So we'll go ahead and put that on there. Run these down. Get them snugged up. Let me grab another extension on this just to make it a little easier. Now on this Scag here, I got that engine oil draining. Right up here, there's a little 10mm stud that you gotta loosen up to drain it. Right there, you can see it a little bit in the top right-hand corner of the screen. And then over here, for the hydraulic side, I took the filter off, and that's the drain. I'm about to drain it, and then I'll clean all of that residual mess up before I install a new filter. Take this oil drain cap off here. Try not to make a fat mess. Not much to come out. Drain it all out through the filter, which is fine. So let that drip drain for a second. Clean everything up here before we do any installs, and the oil stopped draining, so let it drip drain for a little bit longer, and then I'll close it all back up. So on this Scag here, got a brand new oil filter on it, topped it off, 2 quarts of oil, 1030 full synthetic, that's what he wanted. Got a new oil filter, or sorry, fuel filter on there. New hydraulic filter down here. And I'm currently topping it off right now, 20W50. I had to top that thing off. So now that I've got that drive system topped off over there, that 20W50, the manual says to drive it for 2 minutes, forward and back, and then check it and add oil if necessary. So now that we've got everything changed out on this thing, minus the filter, it'll be here Monday, but it's not that dirty. So we got 2 coming, inner and outer, and inner and outer for the old Hustler. But this one, we'll change it out when a filter arrives. So let's fire this old girl up and go drive it for 2 minutes per the manual for changing the drive oil. All of your safety lights are on. Well, she'll fire right up. Man, this thing's nice. So this Turf Tiger ain't no freaking joke. These things, they cost a pretty penny, but they get after it. I see, I had the 61-inch Aaron's Max Zoom, 61 or the 60-inch Aaron's Max Zoom. Now I've got the Hustler, and this Scag right here, Turf Tiger 2, with the fuel-injected motor, 61-inch cut deck. That ride that you get from that seat right there with the weight adjustment, hard to beat. This is a machine right here. Now I will say this, even though this grass is extremely tall, that Scag made quick work of it, let me tell you. Man, those mowers are something else. Oh yeah, big old chunks of grass out here. Look like someone about to come bale it up. Them Scags is nice now, don't get me wrong. I got done with the oil change on this old Scag here, and I was gonna go take me a shower. Well, I went and took a shower, and I was gonna get on Amazon, order me some filters, and then I said, you know, let me see if any of the local parts houses have some filters. And I called around, found a town over, they had some filters. I went over there, picked them up, and now we got a new outer filter, wicks, and a new inner filter, also a wicks. So we'll go ahead and slap these bad Jacksons in there real quick and finish up this service. A little bit dirty, not too bad, not the best. Inner filter's somewhat dirty. They probably changed the outer and then left the inner. No big deal. Make sure you put your filter cap back on with your drain down, so if you get any water in there, it'll drain out. Just like that. Full service is done, and this thing's ready to mow some grass. Other than the blades,